1, 2, 3, 4. What's this? Is that a balloon?
Was it his birthday?
It says happy birthday. Oh my god. It must have been his birthday. You know, I don't want to like rip off other metal squeals. Like, I wanted to get the like real.
What do you think about those lines in the chorus?
I think they're good. We didn't really bring in anything about Sam though. Like Sam is like, I think he like, I mean that's in words. That's like a words.
Yeah.
It's like,
I mean, they were from his movies. We got Carlito's Way and Dead Man. And what's that other one with the daughter?
I know. Mystic River. What? You
got
don't know?
3 movies.
Oh my god. Yeah, I think the guy was good. I think he's in.
What was his name again?
That was good.
That was awesome.
That was awesome. Good job, guy.
So I was talking to my buddy, and he was like, yo, I know these 2 girls, they're starting this band, they need a drummer. And I was like, okay, I just need a gig, temporary, need to bulk the funds so I can finish the AT, scratch that off the bucket list. I don't know though, man, it's a little intense for me. No favor, going to jail.
Yeah, I mean, you know, I feel like our harmonies were really in sync.
Because like we're playing like in B.
Yeah.
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 I can't even say that tuning without my voice getting deeper.
I know. It's like B. B. What are you playing? C sharp. C sharp. How cute. And we're like B.
Dude.
Yeah. Dude.
What flavor is this applesauce?
Dude, it's like mango peach. It's like my sister's.
It's really good.
Yeah. Yeah. What are you doing? Get out. I never get I don't care. I'm gonna wear this like in every show because like this is if someone's like, you guys aren't that metal, and I'm like, we are, because this was really burned with real acid. Like real acid.
Yeah, well, how about some acid on your shirt?
It's a contest. Do you have an acid burn shirt? No, you probably cut it up with
We win, man.
scissors.
We win.
That toy.